Good morning, students. Today we are going to study our new chapter, chapter number 10, Artificial Intelligence. What do you understand by the term artificial intelligence? Imagine that you have a smart home. You wake up in the morning and your virtual assistant present on your smartphone just pulls the curtain of the windows for you, gives you an update of the weather forecast. See, these all things define the term artificial intelligence. Now let's see the definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require human intelligence and discernment. In today's world, we can see that artificial intelligence based programs are helping us a lot because from personalized content on the internet or to the live map or from self-driving cars to artificial intelligence securities, all these applications make our life and work very easy. That is why artificial is very beneficial for us. Now, the picture displaying in front of you is the father of artificial intelligence. According to American computer scientist John McCarthy, who is also known as the father of AI, is the science and engineering of making. See, he has introduced the artificial intelligence to us, especially the intelligent computer program, so that the branch of the computer science produces machines, softwares, and computers that are capable of showing the level of human intelligence in their processing and input methods. Let's learn more about the father of the AI, John McCarthy. John McCarthy was born on September 4, 1927 till October 24, 2011. He was an American computer scientist and cognitive scientist. He was one of the founders of the discipline of artificial intelligence. Now, let's see the most good example of artificial intelligence, that is Xian Xiaoming. Xian Xiaoming in March 2019, Chinese state news agency used a robotic news anchor to present a story about delegates attending an annual parliament meeting arriving in Beijing. This is the robot named Xian Xiaoming, sported a short haircut and wore a pink dress with earrings. She is specially programmed to mimic human expressions and mannerism and is the world's first female artificial intelligence news anchor. This is one of the best example of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is so developed that they have made the world first humanoid named Sophia, as you can see in your diagram. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by the Hong Kong based company Hanson Robotics. She was activated on February 14, 2016, and she made her first public appearance in mid-March 2016 at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas, United States. Sophia is the world's first humanoid robot resembling a human being, and she has been given a full-fledged citizenship of a country. In 2017, she was awarded the citizenship of Saudi Arabia. She was designed by Hanson Robotics. She has been developed in such a way that she can allow her to hold eye contact even though she can recognize faces and understand human speech. She has attended a lot of shows around the world and has even sung a song, All Is Made of Love, at the GIMC 2016 Beijing. She made her maiden visit to India to Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. She is always draped in a sari. She had a conversation with a student in front of more than 3,000 of people. Now come to our last topic, advantages and disadvantages of AI. The advantages and disadvantages are displaying on your screen. You can see the advantages. AI drives down the time taken to perform a task. It explains that with the help of artificial intelligence machines, we are able to solve problems at a much faster rate than was otherwise impossible. These machines can handle large data volumes that would have otherwise taken years to be interpreted. Now come to the disadvantages. In short, I would like to tell you that with huge dependence of artificial intelligence applications, humans are less likely to use their mental ability. These machines cost a lot of money and time to build or repair. The hardware and software needs to be updated from time to time to introduce new features. As a result, artificial intelligence technology is presently utilized only by a giant corporation or developed countries. And it also increases the risk of unemployment. So here we conclude our chapter. Thank you.